1-2. Zyro came online. Private message from Fearless, throw it to me. Hey. Hi guys and welcome to a new video of life in nature finally again. You are 0% wet. There are no Supernatural Fearless is straight behind, 18 feet. Village. Supernatural Fearless is straight in front, 22 feet. Please enter your message here. Private message from Fearless, 20 is good. And we will play baseball. Cancel. Please enter your Musty went offline. Then I will explain everything. Someone launched a flare. Private message from Fearless. Baseball. Baseball bat. Danny came online. Supernatural Fearless is straight in front, 15 feet away. Right hand. Please enter your message here. Baseball. Private message from Fearless, like that yeah. Baseball bat. Please enter. Private message sent to Fearless, You have just opened. Baseball bat. You. Baseball bat. Please enter your Please cancel. Evil laugh. Private message sent to Fearless, 18500. Private message from Fearless, did you learn now? B. Private message sent to Fearless, yeah but can we still play? Seiko went off. Private message from Fearless, sure. Private message from Fearless, throw ha ha ha. Left hand. Baseball. Someone launched a flare. It seems to be coming from behind. Private message sent to Fearless, wait let me explain to the ones who listen my video. Private message from Fearless, K. Commandantius's went offline. Grandland went offline. Please enter your message here. We are in life in nature agent, and also if I died multiple times, now I got the hang of surviving. Cancel. Please enter your message here. We are in the village and playing baseball like in STW. You need to stand up to be able to walk. Baseball. Cancel. Baseball. Grandland came online. Someone launched a flare. It seems to be out of character, Chari says oopsie. Private message sent to Fearless, come on. Bratbird nods, you need to stand up to be able to walk. Baseball. Baseball. Baseball bat. Sweeta came online. You need to stand up to be able to walk. Baseball. Private message from Fearless, sorry was trying to find the bat. Please enter your message here. Vigo went offline, and mutated wolves are walking on the main street of the village. Cancel. Please select a social. Laugh 1. You need to stand up. Braddock came online. Danny went offline. You. Baseball. Baseball bat. You. Baseball. Baseball bat. You. Baseball. Baseball bat. Sparkle went offline. Please select a social. Evil laugh. Someone launched a flare. Baseball. Baseball bat. Please end. Private message sent to Fearless, that was a good round. Private message from Fearless, wow. It was awesome. A. Private message sent to Fearless, yeah. Someone launched a flare. It seems to be coming from I-L-F. And why is this guy launching flyers? Cancel. Please enter your message here. Either he is attracting animals or needs help. Baseball. Baseball bat. You baseball. Baseball bat. You have baseball. Baseball bat. You baseball. Baseball bat. Omar Elashri came online. Baseball. Baseball bat. Hit body. Really exit. Cancel. Baseball, you have 255. Baseball. Baseball bat. You. Baseball. Baseball bat. Private message sent to Fearless, a. Private message from Fearless, oh you're a bit late Roflo. Private message sent to Fearless, sorry. Baseball. Private message from Fearless, no need to. Baseball bat. Baseball. Chanfra came online. You. Baseball. Baseball bat. Someone launched a flare. Please select a social. Private message from Fearless, now I am late Roflo. You. Baseball. L. Private message sent to Fearless, let's first try a bit closer. You. Baseball. Private message sent to Fearless, lol. You. Baseball. Baseball bat. Please select a social. Laugh 1. You. Baseball. Baseball bat. Baseball. Baseball bat. Baseball. Baseball bat. Baseball. You. Baseball. Baseball bat. You. Private message sent to Fearless, MMMMMM. Baseball. Dead Commander. Baseball. Brat. Baseball. Someone launched a flare. Baseball. Baseball bat. Axel went offline. Private message sent to Fearless. Why can't I do this? Someone launched a flare. Private message from Fearless. It hurts. 1000 health. Someone baseball. Private message from Fearless. You do it a bit late. Press space when it's almost hit you. Someone launched a flare. Someone launched a flare. It seems to be coming from behind and a fair distance off to the left. Private message from Fearless. See, sometimes I can't do too. Please select a social. You. Baseball. You. Baseball. Baseball bat. Private message sent to Fearless. Damn it. Baseball. Baseball bat. Baseball. Private message from Fearless. You have to do it after 1 second when I throw it. Someone launched a flare. Private message from Fearless. Listen me carefully. Current location, baseball. Private message from Fearless. Throw. Baseball bat. You baseball. Baseball bat. Someone launched a flare. You need to stand up. Private message from Fearless. Oh, I'm failed. You baseball. Baseball bat. Private message from Fearless. Use. Private message from Fearless. See. Private message sent to Fearless. LOL, that was good. Private message from Fearless. You did great this time, Roflo. R. Private message sent to Fearless. Sorry but still learning. Private message from Fearless. No need to. Baseball bat. You. Baseball. Baseball bat. Someone launched a flare. Baseball. Baseball bat. Queen T went offline. Baseball. Right. Dead commander went. Private message from Fearless. After 1 second when I threw it to you. Someone launched a flare. A. B. P. H. Private message sent to Fearless. Problem, I have Bluetooth headphones. Private message from Fearless. You did it. Someone launched a flare. Baseball. Baseball bat. Private message from Fearless. Just wait 1 second and press space. That's what I am doing. Smith. Please select a social. You are wearing torn shirt on your top. Empty wallet. Aaron went up. Gandalf 95 came online. Baseball. Aaron came online. Private message from Fearless. Throw. Someone launched a flare. Someone launched a flare. Someone. Private message from Fearless, sorry. Private message from Fearless, get it? Someone launched a flare. Baseball. Cancel. Lap 2. Lap 3. Please enter your message here. That sounds like sick laugh. Private message from Fearless, congratulations. You. Private message sent to Fearless, that was a really good round. Baseball. Private message from Fearless, yeah. Baseball bat. Select an option. Someone launched a flare. Someone launched a flare. Private message from Fearless, let's play a bit more. Someone launched. You. Baseball. Someone launched a flare. Someone launched a flare. Berlin came online. Please, out of character, Dobby says hi. Someone launched a flare. Private message from Berlin, hi. V. Private message sent to Berlin, Hollying baseball YouTube video. Baseball. Someone launched a flare. You. Baseball. Private message from Berlin, oh. Someone launched a flare. Out of. Evil, relieved side, grow, clench. You. Baseball. Please enter your message here. But at least I get baseball back because of my mitts. Cancel. Please enter your message here. Someone baseball mitts. When I get hit I will get baseball. Teleporter. Baseball. Baseball. You. Flantanal came online. Baseball. Baseball bat. L. Private message sent to Berlin, why was this so pasted. Private message sent to Fearless, why was this so slow now? Private message from Fearless, lol, ball is lagging while flying. Private message from Fearless, I guess lag. You baseball. Baseball bat. Someone launched a flare. Baseball. Private message sent to Fearless, can't this guy stop with flares? Someone launched a flare. Private message from Fearless, I don't know, it's really annoying too. Private message from Fearless, flare notifications checkbox checked Alt plus F. Cancel. Private message from Fearless, F10 and close T8. Private message from Fearless, this star. Private message sent to Fearless, no, because if someone really needs help I wanna be there for him, but now I can't because of sport reasons lol. You need to stand up to be able to walk. Baseball. Out of character, Chari says okay thanks see. Go. Baseball. Out of character, Chari says oopsie wrong chat. Private message from Fearless, alright, you can enable it back too, smiley face. Someone launched a flare. Private message sent to Fearless, do you still have it me to play? Baseball bat. Bratbird chirps, and you was quick getting dat. Private message from Fearless, just one more time, then I'll go explore village. Out of character, Chari says, tongue sticking out. Private message from Fearless, if it's enough for you as well, we can play later, smiley face. Someone launched a flare. Private message sent to Fearless, yeah, can we play later please? Private message from Fearless, alright. Private message from Fearless, see you then. L Dragon came online. Private message sent to Fearless, LOL. One grab. Someone launched a flare. One baseball is straight in front. Someone launched a flare. It seems to be coming from behind and a fair distance. Out of character, someone out. Private message sent to Fearless, can I come with you explore? Would be good for my video. Out of character. Baseball, antibiotic, Tide metal, string. Private message from Fearless, I'm not much familiar here, I was going to go hospital and collect some items. String, net, water bottle, string, sword. Someone launched a flare. Supernatural Fearless is slightly in front, far off to the left, 10 feet away. Village. Supernatural Fearless is straight in front, 3 feet away. Supernatural Fearless is straight in front, 0 feet. Glue, mint, glue. LN point. Fire starter. Davi launched a firework. Supernatural Fearless is straight in front, 0 feet away. Haha. Cancel. Laugh 3, laugh 2. Out of character, Fearless says whoa. Simra came online. Private message sent to Fearless, alright, gonna do something else on the video, see you later, and don't forget because I wanna play again today, haha. Private message from Fearless, okay. Please enter your message here. Alright guys, cancel. Please enter your message here. VLAN came online. Sorry for this baseball quick start. Cancel. Please enter your message here. LOL, let's make a fire near the flagpole and then tell you the story. Flagpole, village. Ice. Empty wallet. Fire starter. Someone launched a flare. Please enter A. Someone launched a flare. D. Someone launched a flare. So, once I came online in Life in Nature one day, a mutated wolf stood in front of me. Cancel. Please enter your message here. Comma. I did not have time to do anything, not to draw a shield, not to draw a weapon. Cancel. Please enter your message here. Oh. And so it only 2 Night Wolf free hits to knock me out. Cancel. Cancel. Took the. Cancel. Please enter Wolf ONL 3 hits. Cancel. 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 Only 3 hits. Cancel. Someone launched a flare. It seems to be coming from behind and a fair distance off to the left, 385 feet away. Please enter your message here. Well, then a few weeks I did not want to go in Life and Nature again because, well, you know. Cancel. No. Please enter your message here. Someone launched a flare. It seems to be coming from behind and a fair distance off to the left, 308 H. But then I did again because I noticed it was even more similar to STW than I actually thought. Cancel. And well, cancel. Please enter your message here, too. Natsu came online. Now I have a paid account, 1 death-free card and, the most important thing, 6 teleporters. Cancel. Q. R. G. LOL, the extinguished sound of the fire was right timed. Cancel. Laugh 1. Language. Someone launched, character, account, set, clear, change, rename, change your gender. Select, male. Simro. Laugh 1. Really exit. Really exit. Log in with Davi. Logging in as Davi. You have just a cup, string, shield. Please. Out of character. Laugh 2. Laugh 1. Cancelled. Damn, my socials did not change yet. Please anyways. Please enter your message here. Cancel. Teleporter, you have. Please enter your message here. Let me show you a bit of my items. 100, 100, oh. 70, 30, 0 thirst, 100, empty, eatable bear meat. Arash went offline, 116 hunger, empty, Lindel gens, 20 hunger, 2 thirst, base, metal, mint, oh sweet, 8 hunger, left hand. Please enter your message here. Cancel. Please enter your message here. Juju hell came. Let me show you my items first and then let's also look around the village a bit. Baseball bat, baseball, antibiotic, tied metal, string, tied metal, you have 1. There is no description. Metal, string, you have 54. Metal, water bottle, you have 31. Cigarette, you have 100. Chip, you have 125. Raw fish, you have 96. Cup, please enter your message here. Okay, this is boring. Cancel. Please enter your space. Let's show you the drag item thing. Cancel. Please enter your message here. I don't know if this existed in STW. Cancel. Please enter your message here. Millie came online. So, if we are directly in front of a dropped item, we can hold D and then walk to drag it. Village. Please enter your message here. T. Now it is here to the left of the main street. Life in Nature version 2.12. Please enter your, oops sorry I paused accidentally. Cancel. E. Paused accidentally. Private message sent to Berlin, hello. Middle Valley. Sandy area near the pond. Middle Valley. Zyro. Private message from Berlin, hello. Zyro came online. Private message sent to Berlin, I can come now because I have teleporter. Middle Valley. Space. I. Private message sent to Berlin, bro I can come if you want. Harbor. Please enter your message here. Out of character, Fearless says anyone trades energy drugs. Well yes, the look function is also really amazing. Cancel. Metal arrow, open beer bottle, lance, boomerang, you have two, shotgun shell, poison dagger, shotgun, crossbow, arrow gun, hammer, shield, paddle, spear, knife, you have four, stone, bullet, you have, in, open water bottle, open matchbox, open glue bottle, open pop can, open beer bottle, open beer bottle. Please enter your message here. If I remember right those can be projectiles. Please enter your message, yeet, cancel, village, 1 ashes, 1 tide metal, 1 death mutate, 1 death mute, 1 death mute, Naruto's, a tree is, stop tracking, cancelled. X, cancel. Please enter your message here, but they odd drop on the ground, cancel, don't, cancel. Stop tracking, eastern, northern, north, to enter the pharmacy press shift enter to go to the wedding hall, middle tree zoologic, tree, press shift enter to go to village tavern, press shift enter to go to bakery cafe, press shift enter to go to southern ocean, western ocean, shift enter, main, shift enter to enter the baseball field, to go to restaurant, press shift enter, 100 tiles. Behind and slightly to the right, 100 tiles away. Cancel, B, Y. Simra went offline. Those new things like bakery, well there is not much in it. Cancel. Please enter your message here. Just vending machines, and in the tavern there is nothing I think. Behind and slightly to the right, 96 tiles away. The last, but I wanna show you microwaves. Please enter your message here, N. Someone logged T. Oh I now know for what F is. Cancel, S. Cancel. Please enter your message here. It is to tell you where the sun is. If it is more left, the day just started. If it is more right, the day will end. Please enter your message here. N. Seems to be noon. Cancel. Behind and slightly to the right, 77 tile. 983. Shift, restaurant. Shift enter to go to the kitchen, shift enter. behind and a little, slightly behind and far, slightly in front and a fair distance. Shift enter to go to the kitchen. Find what? A microwave with 5% power remaining. Kitchen, microwave, antibiotic, base, battery, you have 118. Battery, baseball, battery. A microwave with 9% power remaining is straight in front, 0 tiles away. Cancel. Baseball, battery. A microwave with 11%, cancelled. Teleporter, raw fish. Please enter your message. You worked. Cancel. Please enter your message here. I think this cooks 10 meat or something, but much quicker than skillet. Raw fish, you have 86. Raw VLAN went offline. A cooking microwave with 1% power. A microwave with 1% power. Cancelled. Raw fish. Base. Battery. Raw fish. Battery. Raw fish. Raw fish, you have 66. Raw fish. Base. Battery. Raw fish. You have just battery. Raw fish. Please enter your message here. Okay, I had 66. Cancel. Let's see. Cancel. You need to stand up to be. You have just opened your baseball bat. Raw fish, you have 56. Please enter your message here. Yes 10. Cancel. What? A microwave with 1%. A microwave with 1% power. Stop tracking. Cancelled. LOL. Cancel. Microwave. Shift enter to move to the corridor. Shift enter to go to the kitchen. Shift enter to move to in front and a little. Shift enter to go to the kitchen, in front and a kitchen. You are in the corridor. Restaurant. Fine. Shift enter to enter the dining room. Shift enter to move to corridor. Shift enter to go to the kitchen. Stop tracking. Shift enter to go to the village. 56. Slightly in front, far off to the left. Harbor. To go to restaurant, you are wearing, holding a shield, torn shirt on your top, large soft jacket as outerwear, baseball mitts on your hands. Go. Please see. Actually can take them off now. Baseball bat. Baseball bat. Pink, raw, grass, branch, umbrella, black, baseball mitts. You have one. Alice Kane. Water bottle, winter gloves, strawberry cake, beer stain, winter gloves. Please enter your message here. Someone launched a flare. Well, no, I don't want anything on my hands now. Attention, the server will reboot in 10 seconds. Please, oh. Marcel, server restarting in 5 seconds. Reason. Reconnecting. Logging in as Dobby. Harbor. Server restarting in 5 seconds. Reason, fix lag. Darlene came online. Life in Nature version 2.12. Am I again paused? Sorry. Private message sent to Berlin. Hi. Restaurant. Harbor. Someone launched a flare. Private message sent to Berlin. Should I come? Out of character. To go to rest. Rest. Okay, she does not answer. Cancel. I mean he. Laugh 1. Hit body. Private message sent to Berlin. Should I come, bro? Private message from Berlin. Okay. Private message sent to Berlin. But what should we do? Please enter your message here. Okay, I think I told you enough now. Cancel. Please enter your message here. Will be more LN videos in the feature, I suppose. Cancel. Future. 63 Thirst. Please enter your message here. And feature covering. LOL. Cancel. Please enter your message here. F. U. Oh, general story Hadaruk, but this building does not. Cancel. Danny came online. Private message sent to offline Berlin. Bro, what would we do if I come? Cancel. Tired. Berlin came online. Cancel. Cancel. Type a command. Titanium Golem went offline. I can't hear the keyboard. Really? Exiting. Life in. Log in with Dobby. Welcome to the Life in Nature. Okay, I just can't hear this keyboard. D will fix it. Cancel. Please see you.